how to fix Paramount Plus error 6006. Now, if you're having the 6006 error on the Paramount Plus app, there are a couple of ways to fix it. First of all, long press the Paramount Plus app icon here, then just tap on the I button that you'll be able to find if you're on Android. If you're on iPhone, you want to make sure to uninstall and reinstall the app. But for Android users, you can simply go to this option called storage. From here, you can click on clear cache, and you can also try to clear and delete the data. Once you've done that, you can also try to go ahead and then restart your device. So just click on the restart button depending upon your phone, and once done, you should be able to see that. Next up, you want to make sure that your internet connection is working just fine, and if you're using VPN, do not use any VPNs because that could also interrupt with the network connection. If you are using any ad blocking software, you may also need to disable it before you can stream on Paramount Plus. So I hope that this video helped you understand. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.